When a girl falls in love with you, when we go through the breakup, we think that love is nothing but just a joke to the people. They only know how to play with someone's feelings. They become selfish at a point. They only think and care about themselves, their benefits, nothing else. Eventually, we lose our hopes and trust. But is it right? Because no matter how much we try to hide, love will find us. After going through a lot, after getting cheated and betrayed in love, how we will identify if a girl genuinely loves us? When a girl falls in love with you, she will not show you directly. She will do different little things to show that she has started to feel for you. Her efforts, her care, her possessiveness is the first change you will see in her. Girls don't always like to propose for their love. They expect you to take this initiative. Even if she expresses her feelings, she will not give up on you easily. If she's always coming back to you, if she's trying to save this relationship after big fights, if she's choosing you over everything in this world, if she's ready to go through all just to be with you, she loves you, man. She loves you. A girl doesn't always want expensive gifts, money and luxury. She needs your time, a loyal and understanding person in you. After getting it all, she will stick by you forever, support you in building up the empire. A genuine girl will stand by you in every phase of life, no matter what. If a girl genuinely loves you, she will be a little jealous when she catches you talking to other girls, or even if any other girl checking you out. She will unnecessarily fight over it. A genuine girl will always end up respecting you. Her respect towards you will be there until or unless you lose it. The only thing is, many of us fail to identify their love. Or even when we know that she loves us, we take her and her love for granted. That's when the real shit begins. This kind of girl never gives up. But we fail to give her everything she deserves. That's why most of us lose them and regret later. Don't lose a genuine people because of your immaturity. Learn to understand what's genuine and what's fake. There are people who fake out love, relationship, but at the same time, there are people who give everything but get betrayed in return. Learn from your mistakes. Try to save your relationships if you see that your partner is dying to be with you. Never take them for granted and always respect them. And don't ever give up on them. Don't ever give up on them.